Presenting the Dodge 2020 Charger SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include cold weather package included, heated steering wheel, exterior mirrors with heating element, power heated mirrors with man-FOA heated front seats, quick order package to EG included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted, manufacturer's statement of origin, black houndstooth cloth sports seat included, power 8-way driver seat, heated front seats, power 4-way driver lumbar adjust, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, STD, black top package included, gloss black fascia applique, gloss black IP cluster trim rings, black one-piece performance spoiler, satin black Charger deck lid badge, satin black Dodge tail lamp badge, Dodge grill badge, white nut